Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. We are excited to share our stylish bamboo tapered legs with you. These designs have a simplistic elegance to them and are perfect for your contemporary spaces. They feature a round, tapered profile with two sets of turned rings that make them look similar to bamboo poles. The top of the leg has a width of 2 3/4 inch, which tapers down to a slim 1 3/4 inch width at the base. The max width of the leg is 3 1/8 inch. We offer this profile in 3 different sizes for your kitchen and bathroom projects. The 34.5 and 35.5 tall legs are ideal for kitchen island designs. These are parts 240158 and 270159. We also have a 36-inch tall design which would be perfect for a bathroom vanity. It is part 290177. All 3 of these legs are sanded to 150 grit to allow for easy finishing. They are offered in various wood species including alder, pine, hard maple, poplar, hickory, black walnut, and more. With paint and stain grade options to choose from, the design possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.